Now today I am discuss about blood. ब्लड की ओरिजिन मेसोडर्म से होती है और ये एक तरह के स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से मिलके बने होते हैं। मतलब इनमें कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ऐसे पाए जाते हैं। These specialized connective tissue consist of fluid matrix. Okay. Now, what is blood? Blood is red in color and in our body that flow through our blood vessels. It work like a delivery system carrying oxygen, food and messages everywhere and also cleaning waste. Now, part of blood. First is plasma. It is 55% and blood cells 45%. 55% of plasma are yellowish liquid, mostly water. 90% it contain water, okay, and carrying nutrients, hormones and protein about 6 to 8%, and in which three types of proteins like albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin works as a osmoregulator and it helps in defense mechanism, and fibrinogen it helps to clot the blood. And now blood cells, 45% blood contain blood cells known as formed element, and these element includes RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC is also known as erythrocytes, WBC also known as leukocytes and platelets also known as thrombocytes. Now RBCs carrying oxygen using hemoglobin and live about 120 days. The red color of blood due to hemoglobin, and 5 to 5.5 million 5 to 5.5 million cubic millimeter of blood in human adult. 5.5 million RBCs are present. And now WBCs soldier that fight infection. It protects our body due to scavengers. Sorry, it protects our body due to foreign particles. Okay. Now it is about 8,000 6 to 8,000 per cubic millimeter of body. Now platelets helps to clot and stop bleeding, and it is about 150 lakh, sorry, not 150, 1 lakh 50,000 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000 to 3 lakh 50,000 platelets per cube millimeter of blood are present. Okay. Now function of blood, first is transport, second is protection and third is regulation. Now transport, it transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones and waste. The protection or WBCs fight infection and platelets prevent bleeding. Regulation maintains body temperature, pH, water and salt balance. There many cycles are going in our body. Now blood group in human beings, four types of blood groups, A, B, AB and O, depends on protein on RBCs. Protein produce antibodies and RBCs produce antigens. Okay, now each can positive or negative based on RH factor. Quick factors: average adult have 4.5 to 6 liter of blood, and blood make up 5 to 8% of, and blood circulate the whole body in about 1 minute. In short, blood is equal to प्लाज्मा. प्लाज्मा लिक्विड होता है, प्लस प्लाज्मा जिसमें प्रोटीन पाई जाती है, और वाटर 90 to 92% वाटर होता है, plus cells like WBC, RBC and platelets. It's like a life river of our body, carrying oxygen, food, protection and cleaning. Serve all at once. Serve all at once. Thank you.